here. I'm the city council, and I'm telling you to stop. I'm ordering you to stop right now. Stop this vehicle.
Sterling Heights, 911.
No, you stop right here.
911.
You stop right here. You stop
Hello?
right here. You're on an unlicensed vehicle on a...
Emergency 911.
We have an unlicensed vehicle on Charwood and Robin Nest, the Caterpillar front loader. There's no construction in our neighborhood. We have a vehicle driving on the streets, no license plate. I need help here now. Charwood and Robin Nest. Thank you.
I'm calling that number back at 911.
At 810-499?
Yes. What did he...
Oh, what did he say to you?
Emergency at Charwood and Robin Nest.
You just said right?
Hello?
Hello, this is 911. We've gotten a couple calls from your phone. Can you please stay on the line and let us know exactly what's going on?
Yes, there's a Caterpillar tractor run. I can barely hear you. We've got an unlicensed construction vehicle on Charwood and Robin Nest. He's running up and down Charwood, no license plates. He's turned our neighborhood into a construction site. There's no construction here. He's made it a shortcut. I've got him blocked right now. I've stopped the vehicle. I appreciate some help now. Thank you.
Wait, stay on the line. Okay?
Okay.
Are you a resident in the area?
Yes, I am.
Okay, and why did you take it upon yourself to block this vehicle? You don't know who's driving it.
I want him to be here when the police get here, so he can't deny this.
What is your last name, sir?
Smith.
And your first name?
Paul.
All right. And what is this person doing on this construction vehicle?
He's driving up and down Charwood.
No, what is he doing right now since you have him blocked in?
He's sitting here behind the wheel.
Okay. And, I mean, you don't know him. You don't know what he's capable of.
Well, I can jump out of the way if he moves, but
you're blocking him with your body, not your car?
Yes, I am.
Melanie. We're getting officers on the way, but I would not advise you to do this, sir.
He's trying to run me over now. He's aiming at me.
Sir, I would get out of the way. Do not put yourself in harm's way.
I finally did. He revved the engine and came at me with it. He's trying to escape back onto his site. I'm still with you.
Where is the construction site?
The construction site is Cobble Creek, but they've cut through a path through the forest so they can use the subdivision as a shortcut. He's now on the cul-de-sac of Robin Nest. But he's come up and down Charwood in this unlicensed vehicle using our subdivision as an extension to the construction site.
Okay, and whereabouts do you live, sir?
On Dill Drive.